How to make money online during Christmas period. Over the past several years, interest in quick ways to make money online, from the comfort of our homes, is on the rise. The magic of the web is that it's a powerful sales channel, marketing network, and community hub all in one, plus so much more. There are many creative ways to make money fast online beyond filling out surveys and selling used goods on marketplaces. That said, some side hustles are better suited to the laptop lifestyle than others. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of the top online money-making ideas. Before we get started, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon to never miss important updates just like this one. Number 1. Become an online tutor. During the pandemic, education turned virtual. Schools and universities switched to entirely online classes, and the tutoring business was no different. The online tutoring business is expected to grow by $97.66 billion from 2023 to 2027. If you enjoy seeing that light turn on in people's eyes when they finally grasp a concept, this is a good option for you. You get to decide which subjects you feel comfortable helping others with and set your own hours and rates. On top of that, you can freelance as a tutor more easily than ever. With sites like TutorMe and Fiverr, you can easily find students who need your help. Remember, most freelance sites require some sort of proof that you know the subject matter you are wanting to tutor. It's usually in the form of a test or proof of certification or diploma. Also, freelance sites also charge a transactional fee to withdraw your payments. Fiverr charges $1, or $3 if you want the transfer to go through within 2 hours. Do you enjoy our video? We post creative and explanatory contents on making money through any fast and legit means. Please subscribe to our channel and hit a like button to never miss important updates from us. Number 2. Invest in the metaverse. The metaverse is a virtual world where users can interact and do things they do in real life, but in virtual reality. For example, in the metaverse, you can do things like buy, sell, and rent out digital property, get a job, advertise for a business, create experiences, or even open a business or store. The way you can participate in the metaverse is by joining a metaverse project like Axie Infinity or the Sandbox. You participate by investing in that project's cryptocurrency. For example, Axie Infinity uses AXS, and the Sandbox uses Sand, i.e., PayPal and credit cards are useless in the metaverse. Remember, metaverse projects are tied to cryptocurrency, so there's the potential for high returns in a short amount of time, but along with that, there is also high risk. Number 3. Invest in real estate. There are a lot of ways to invest in real estate, and it can be very confusing. But apps and websites have simplified the process for you. Apps like Fundraise offer investors the ability to invest in a portfolio of properties along with other users. This allows people with limited funds to invest in projects that they might otherwise not be able to on their own and begin to make their money work for them. You can also invest from the comfort of your keyboard, while Fundraise takes care of all the logistical and legal matters for you. Just be warned, even through an app, real estate investment requires time. Most properties take at least 5 to 10 years before you'll see a return on your investment. This is a long-term investment that can become passive income for you in the future, but make sure you can live without your initially invested funds. Remember, this is a long-term investment. Expect to not see any dividends for at least 5 to 10 years and research the apps you're going to use to find ones that work better with your investment plans. Number 4. Buy and sell domain names. Whether you're a major retailer or a small business, choosing a memorable and eye-catching domain name for your website is a crucial part of making your business a success. In 2021, there were more than 1.8 billion websites in the world, and every single one of those websites needed a domain name. Much like comic books or cryptocurrency, you can buy and sell domain names for a profit. If you go to domain buying websites like Namecheap, GoDaddy, and Hover, you can buy as many domains as you want. But the trick is finding the domain names that are valuable. There have been domains that have sold for 9 figures, like Cars.com, which sold for $872 million, but those are few and far between. The name of the game in flipping domain names is to buy a number of promising domains and sell them for a modest profit. Don't be surprised if you have to sit on your domains for months, if not years. But with minimal effort, you can make extra money and comfortably work from home. Remember, buying and selling domain names is not a way to make fast money. Many times, you have to sit on a domain for months or even years. Also, be wary of depending solely on the price domain appraisers set for your domain names, as they have a tendency to set their valuations on the higher end. Lastly, start a podcast. Podcasts continue to get more popular each year. Recent research shows that podcast listener numbers were up in 2021 by 10.1% compared to the previous year, with 117.8 million people tuning in monthly for an episode. If you know the value of content for your brand, then you already know the value of podcasting. It allows you to reach new audiences you might not find through long-form content via people who prefer audio. You don't need to be a technical person, and it doesn't take much money to start. Best of all, you don't need to be a popular blogger or influencer to become a successful podcaster. In conclusion, the opportunities to make money online fast, sometimes passive, are only becoming more abundant. You could pick up freelance jobs, start a dropshipping store, create your own products, or promote other people's products on a blog. It simply takes a little know-how and hard work to make it happen. That will be all for today. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.